Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lex. Today I'm here with a simple glam tutorial. I love this look. This is kind of like very beginner friendly and kind of everyday makeup. Okay, let me not say that. Simple, easy glam. Easy, y'all. And we look good, okay? Like, I don't even recognize myself. That's how good I look. I can do natural when I want, just so y'all know. Just so you know. I can't lie, I look good. I look good. Yes, to this face. Okay guys, so if you want to see how I accomplish this look from top to bottom, continue watching and don't forget to hit that bell notification and subscribe to my channel. All right, let's get right into the video. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, check out this beautiful palette, guys. Look at these colors. And I love the names. Sea salt, fuego, sip, Spanish, you know. But let's do a nice quick glam look with this palette. Also from e.l.f. I picked up this bronzer, pink beige bronzer and blush. And it comes with a mirror. I love this. So it's a nice handheld mirror. And I also got this matte putty primer. So I'm going to apply that right now. This is how it looks. Now, I'm just going to apply this over my face. Guys, so the brows are on and don't mind my face. It might look like I have on some sunscreen. That is the mattifying primer from e.l.f. So let's get into this eyeshadow. We are going to do a quick glam from this palette right here. I love me a colorful palette, y'all. And we have a couple of transition colors, but I'm going to use Sandy Bum. Sandy Bum is going to be the first color. So I'm just apply that right in my crease. So sweet. The next shade I'm going to use is this beautiful shimmer shade right here called Fortuna. Beautiful shimmer right here. I'm going with this black shade right here called Nightlife, and I'm just gonna smoke it out on the inner corner, the outer corner, excuse me. Color, any more color, I'm just gonna buff it out, blend it out by tapping it. I lied, I'm gonna tap on a little bit more. Okay. I just brushed that product into that gold. Kind of doing like a C shape. here. We up close and personal. So I'm just taking that black and I'm patting it towards that gold. Do the other eye. Pop on some lashes and get into this face. All right, close enough. It's America's #1 hand cream for guaranteed. I feel like I want to pop something on the inner eye. What do y'all think? Caliente is looking kind of cute. Let's see. Caliente. Yeah. These shadows are really pigmented, y'all. Elf always comes through. Yep, that's what I needed. All right, so I'll pop on these lashes and I will be right back. Boop. All right, y'all, I am back. Let's get right into foundation. I just popped on some lashes and added some black eyeliner. I'm going to smoke it out, like at the bottom. It's gonna be real nice and sultry and glam and yeah. Okay, so I already did my primer. Now I'm gonna use this Maybelline. I'm kind of doing like drugstore makeup if y'all didn't realize that. I'm doing drugstore makeup. I just love Maybelline Fit Me and Coconut. Plus it's summertime, so this is my summer color. And I did catch a suntan. I wish I was going somewhere so I could really try out this mattifying primer from e.l.f. Let's get under that neck, honey. So it's my birthday, y'all. Your girl is another year older. My e.l.f. blush palette, Blush and Rose. I love this little blush because it's almost universal for me. I feel like it looks good on all skin tones. Alright. Y'all already know what highlighter I'm gonna use. Like, stop playing. Stop playing. Guys, we are done. This look came out so bomb. You know what? I forgot some bottom mascara. Hold on. Alright guys, so we are done. This is my birthday look, I guess you can say. I'm going to take a couple of pictures and I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Very easy but glam. We still glam, okay? So this is a quick, easy glam look. Very beginner friendly, and we use a lot of things from the drugstore, so this is almost like another drugstore video. I got this palette from e.l.f. I'm sure it's at Target, but I got it from elf.com since everything is closed. And I think it was like 14 to 15 bucks. Very well worth it. The pigments are everything. I love the shimmers, I love the mattes, and I like a palette that has both. So this is Retro Paradise. So if you guys enjoyed this look, don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel right here. And go ahead and check out some of my other videos. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.